Hi, everyone. My name is Jared Hale. I'm excited to present my part of this presentation. I'll be sharing about the electrical takeoff and pricing, as well as our stormwater pollutant prevention plan. So we're going to start off with electrical. The electrical takeoff is separated into three main companies: the Hawaiian Electric Company, denoted by yellow, the Hawaiian Telecom, denoted by blue, as well as the Oceanic Time Warner Cable, which is denoted by pink, as we'll see in this next slide. So throughout the project, we'll be excavating and installing three separate electrical duct lines. As I said before, they're separated into three companies and three different types of electrical lines. Along as the ducts, we will be installing the manholes for each one, and this is for future maintenance that the ducts may need. This is another picture of the electrical plan, and then this is the third. The electrical plan is separated into three sheets. The equipment that we'll be using to excavate the electrical ducts are excavator and mini X. Where the lines are connected, the ducts are connected, all three of them together, we'll be using the excavator. And for when they're separated, as you can see in the middle of the page, we'll be using the mini X, and we'll be able to do this and save money and do it in a timely fashion. The spreadsheet here shows the takeoff for each one of these lines. The electrical duct came in around 1,200 lineal feet and will cost around $438,000, as well as 4 6x11 manholes. The telecom duct, it came around 1,300 lineal feet, costing around $353,000. And there will be 5 manholes. And lastly, the Oceanic Telecom duct will also be around 1,300 lineal feet and will be priced at $359,000. And this will all come in to around $1,177,239.55. The labor price includes, you can see the labor per lineal feet includes the equipment and the manpower. Next, we'll go over our SWP. This is just a picture of the general plan of our project. The SWP is separated into three main BMPs, best management practices. First, the filter berm, next, the silt fence, and finally, the temporary and permanent seeding. The temporary and permanent seeding will be planted throughout the project along the sides of the roads, and this will help with sediment buildup and sediment pollution. The filter berm is shown here in yellow and goes along the south side of the project and will catch sediment that goes down the road from rainwater. It goes along the bottom of the project, and where the filter berm leaves off the silt fence. So in order to keep these different BMPs in line and keep them viable, we have set up a plan here to make sure that those things stay properly installed. So at least once a week, we will be checking and inspecting the BMPs, and then within 24 hours of a rainfall, of half an inch of rainfall. After we found something that may need to be fixed, we will need to fix that within 24 hours. We will be checking the silt fence for holes, and if sediment is up to 1/3 of the height of the fence. Temporary weeding will be checked for bare spots, washouts, and healthy growth. The contractor, which is us, shall select a minimum of 3 personnel to inspect these, and the contractor will give the training for them. And then finally, we will be removing and disposing of any slurry that may come from construction practices. We look forward to working on this, and we plan to continue to keep Hawaii a safe place and a beautiful place with our SWP plan.